RJTI charts versus crude oil, and Wall Street, Black Swan versus our ability to forecast what others don't see until they realize they've been sucker punched. If you rely on RJTICHARTS, you have a great chance of always being in the know. You have algorithm firms out there that have sprouted up over the last 5 years, if not in the last 5 days. Yet we beg to argue that not one of them will be able to provide you with the content we have set forth in this message. We have 43 years of experience, and our algorithms have been around since 1984. And learning options or how to trade are easy objectives. And these firms offer you such as if it's a new revelation. But the truth of the matter, they are not new concepts. RJTICHARTS algorithms have been around since 1984. And we established our RJTICHARTS company from our spin-off company that we ran from 1999 to 2013. And we simply got tired of dealing with the bias of the regulatory body whose livelihood is based on how to nitpick over a comma or a word and look for ways to monetarily fine you $10,000 or 1M as they will to be. We decided to take our algorithms and use them as a research firm signal-based operation. And this commenced in year 2013, well before the rush by others in 2020 and forward to start algorithmic companies. We have participated in or projected for every major moving market since 1982, and we have, as always, provided our receipts. And we've yet to see one firm offer that they call the last 6 stock market declines, including the 2020 stock market decline, 9 months before it unfolded like we did. Our motto is being used now by many. You don't have to look at a computer. You don't have to do any research. You don't have to listen to others. Just follow our algorithms. We also noticed that just recently, over the last 3 months, many are calling for a black swan. But if you have been following us, we forewarned you in early 2025, if not late 2024, that a black swan theory was embedded in the markets. And so, again, we believe our algorithms offers one, the ability to see before most, yet here's further evidence that RJTI charts offers one, the opportunity to know when to buy or sell, which is the only thing that matters, right? On the 13th of December, 2023, 9:05 a.m. Yet, here's something we haven't harped on since all 2022, if not a little bit earlier. It is the energies. We aren't as zealous as another analyst, but we do see crude oil to trade $130, $150 range. And then we could consider $205, $215 a barrel, which is a range equivalent for the SX90 energy index. We follow 3,000 to 3,500 range. We believe, based from our algorithms, higher crude oil trade levels are coming. And we are also going to upgrade our price target for the energy index from 3,500 upper range to 3,500 to 3,940.001. You can hear the entire message by simply going to YouTube and type in the title, RJT charts versus SX90 energy index versus hit out target, or type in this link. So what has happened since with provided out projection? Let's look at the chart, the 3rd of March, 2026. But we also gave you a profound prophecy. Is a Middle East conflict to come? We can't speak with certainty, but it sure does imply that some major producing oil country has found trouble. RJTI charts versus SX90 energy index versus hit our target. Countries with the most oil reserves. 1, Venezuela, 303 billion barrels. 2, Saudi Arabia, 267 billion. 3, Iran, 209 billion. 4. Canada, 163 billion. 5. Iraq, 145 billion. 6. UAE, 113 billion. 7. Kuwait, 102 billion. 8. Russia, 80 billion. The power of our algorithms helps us see what most don't see coming and allows us to project from the laws of physics and mathematics market possibilities that have a 97% chance of becoming reality. We are not quite sure if Wall Street or fund money managers or TV personalities like Jim Cramer or Tom Lee or Josh Brown saw this coming, especially since the DJ30 has dropped negative 2,000 PTS, SP, 500 negative 200 PTS, and the NASDAQ 100 dropped negative 1,000 PTS. That seems to imply many were unaware, right? It is easy to see the trees that make up the forest, and it's even easier to see the forest that's made up of trees, but it is not so easy to see behind the forest. Get your Ramo today. RJTICharts.com. Driven by infinite wisdom and its proprietary trading systems.